This is my setup for sanding panels. I have a pair of 4x24 belt sanders. I'll be starting with 80 grit and working my way up to 220 grit. Panels can be narrow like this, or they can be wide like this. It's a great deal of work, running roughly 15-pound sanders. Lots of work on the arms, but easy enough to do. I have everything raised up so it's very comfortable for my achy old back. I also have dust collection through a miniature collector over here, miniature cyclone, and called a Dust Deputy. And it does a fantastic job of collecting all the dust that this machine creates. And that's basically my system for sanding panels, and it's been working for years and years and years. Thanks for watching.